Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious pan-fried potatoes. First, select a starchy potato like russet or Yukon Gold for a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Thoroughly wash and peel your chosen potatoes. Next, cut them into uniform 1/2-inch pieces. This ensures every piece cooks evenly. Finally, soak the cut potatoes in cold water for about 30 minutes. This crucial step removes excess starch, preventing them from sticking and promoting a beautiful golden brown crust. After soaking, drain your potatoes and parboil them in salted water for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are just slightly tender. This pre-cooking step significantly reduces pan-frying time and ensures a tender interior. Once parboiled, drain them completely and pat them very dry with a clean towel. Now, toss the potatoes with about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil, like olive or canola, and season generously with salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of garlic powder for extra flavor. Now for the frying. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed pan, such as cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil or a combination of oil and butter. Once shimmering, add your seasoned potatoes in a single layer. Do not overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping every 3 to 5 minutes until all sides are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This patient approach yields the best texture. To ensure your potatoes are perfectly cooked, pierce one with a fork. It should be tender throughout. Taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. For an extra touch of freshness, sprinkle with finely chopped fresh herbs like parsley or chives just before serving. These pan-fried potatoes are a versatile side dish, perfect with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Enjoy your perfectly crispy and tender homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.